crack more on that. Just a little bit, not much.
That's probably where that toilet's at. Maybe the check first.
Check right there. It drops into the check. It's gonna be hard for you to get up over that. Not gonna be able to get over that.
It's okay if I look.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's where your check valve is.
Ah, right there, huh?
Is that thing sitting down there, Bob?
What is it?
Hmm.
Where that check works. See, it's got an indentation in that metal where it slides down over that. You're not going to be able to get a camera any further out than that because it wants to go down into that.
What's
That's
that?
part of the check.
Hmm.
Is it?
It's like a seat for it to sit into. That gate.
What?
The gate valve slides down and it's like a seat that it sits
Yeah,
into.
right up here.
That's what slides down into the. See that threads on it? It slides down in the gate. There's like a little check thing. Well, it's like a piece of rubber that's supposed to be around this bottom, so that it makes a seal on it. Slides into it. Yeah, and that's just a reflection right here of what this is.
Well, see, right there, you could get yourself in trouble with you know, how it dips down. You get yourself a turd in there, starts blocking up stuff. That's all it takes, some paper.
Well, but why? You know, I've lived here 10 years, and this just started this spring.
Bad
I mean,
luck.
I've had that. They had that installed before I bought the house.
It's really a bad deal. Need an outside cleanout in order to really see what the problem is.
Well, you don't need an outside clean to see what the problem is. What are you talking about, Bob?
To see what the problem is, if there is a problem out further.
Yeah, we'll take that lid off.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
That gate's over there, right there on that side?
Yeah. This is why I'm getting stuck on it every time I come here, though.
Yeah,
This is your problem. This is your problem. You're getting stuff that just comes in here and it's going flip, flop.
Dropping right down.
Dropping right down.
Dropping into what now? What's it dropping down into?
That gate.
Oh, which is an indentation, you say,
Right.
sir? For that thing to fit into.
Exactly.
They had that installed because there was a big, huge rain, I guess, that spring,
And
and
bagged up this whole block's basements.
yeah.
Yep.
And so it's worked. I've used it. You know, like I say, I've lived here 10 years.
Yeah, we need to go pull that out to go
Yeah,
further.
do whatever you guys, because I certainly want to get this.
I thought maybe it was out in the yard.
Oh, it's under my desk there. I'll just.
Yes.